Hooray! You did it. Look at that. It decreased fast, didn't it? It got real close real quick, didn't it? All right. We're pretty much done. Now, I'm going to take me a seam ripper. You don't need a seam ripper. You can use scissors. You can break the yarn with your bare hands, with your strong self. But I'm going to just take my seam ripper here. Make things nice and easy here. All right, and cut. Okay, give yourself a few inches. As you can see, right? I got about 5-6 inches. It goes so far, it goes off camera. Boom, that's all you need, okay? Now, we're going to use our nice little tapestry needle. I got a big old eye. I like big eyes because I don't like having to fiddle with this thing. So I'm just going to wrap her through both strands. That's what we've been dealing with all this time. Okay, get everything through. And now we're just going to thread every single one of these 16 loops through our needle. Now, I'm just used to slipping things purlwise, so we just slip things purlwise, makes things way easy. Okay, that's it. Done. Pull that yarn through. Okay. Next needle. I'm going to just kick it with you. I'm going to kick it with you. We're going to do it together. Why not? Okay. Boom. Boom. 3. 4. That's not a loop. That was just the fabric right there. So you got to definitely be careful. These double points, man, they'll get you. So I'm pulling a little tighter as I go. Okay. Boom. Nice and easy. Nice and patient. Okay. Keep missing my loops because the illusions. Boom. One more. Again, that's not a loop. Just comes right off. Nice tight pull. Oh my goodness. Check you out. I'm saying, you did it. I had no doubts. You stayed with us. You followed the pattern. You dove into some things. You learned something new. Learned a lot of new things, hopefully. And I really hope that everything that you've learned opens the door and gives you more skills to try more things, gives you courage to try more things. We use circulars. We cast it on in the round. We knit it in the round. We knit. We purl. We use markers. We use double points. We use tapestry needles. That's all the yarn we have left. Very economically friendly type of thing. 2 skeins. 2 skeins of fingering weight yarn, and you got yourself a lid. So this is the point where if you want to block it, you can block it, get it wet, and get it to where you need to be. Like I said, if you need it to be a little taller, make sure that you get yourself an additional skein. Because again, as you can see, that's all you're going to have left. But that was even exhilarating in itself, wasn't it? Oh my goodness. No need to fear. The guy from DGY got your back. All right. Thanks again. I do appreciate it. Send some pictures to Darn Good Yarn's website and show everybody what you did. I look forward to seeing that. Thanks again. It's your boy Willie Smith signing off. I holla. Till next time.